got my lentils. We're gonna be making some lentil soup. Yes, it is spring, and yes, lentil soup is perfect all year round. It's hearty, it's highly nutritious, it's absolutely delicious. I mean, lentil soup is like one of the most perfect recipes. And my lentil soup is the most perfect lentil soup. This recipe comes from my cookbook, Sweet Potato Soul. If you don't already have it, go ahead and buy it. I will link it down below. And it's just a winner. What can I say? It's so wonderful. You don't need any fancy tools to make this, just a big pot, cutting board, and a knife, and most of us have all of those things. It'll make you feel good. For this lentil soup, I use green lentils. Any other firm lentil will do, like French lentils, black lentils, beluga lentils, baby beluga. Is that what they're called, beluga lentils? Anyway, brown lentils, it all works just fine for this. If you're a fan of Sweet Potato Soul and you want to support my channel, the best way you could do so is, of course, watching my videos, subscribing, leaving a comment, and don't forget to tap the like button. That thumbs up, yeah, hit that, hit that. Let's get into this recipe. Here are the ingredients for our lentil soup. Very simple: carrots, celery, onions, garlic, lentils, and spices. For the spices, we are using a bay leaf, fennel seeds, and thyme. We'll season it with some other things, but we'll get to that later. Start by peeling and cutting your carrots. I only peel carrots when they look rough, like these did. Usually a gentle scrub will do. There is plenty of nutrition in the outer skin. Next, dice the celery. I like to score it lengthwise to make smaller, uniform-sized cuts. Dice onion and mince garlic. Add a little bit more garlic if you're making this for a sick person. Lastly, cube a potato. I actually prefer Yukon potatoes over sweet potatoes in this recipe, but either works. Warm olive oil in a large pot over medium-high heat. Then saute the onions, celery, and garlic. Once the onions are translucent, add the carrots and the potatoes. Give that a stir before adding the lentils. Green lentils or another firm lentil work best for this recipe. Add 8 cups of water and a lot of vegetable bouillon paste. I use the brand called Better Than Bouillon. Also add the thyme, fennel seeds, and bay leaf. Stir it well. Bring that to a simmer and cook it for 20 minutes until the lentils and vegetables are tender. Finish it off with 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and another tablespoon or 2 of balsamic vinegar. The balsamic vinegar balances it all nicely. Season it to taste with more salt and pepper as needed. I like to eat this soup with some chunky sourdough bread, or even sometimes with rice. It's perfect all year round and at any temperature. When it's warm out, I eat it at room temperature, and obviously when it's cold out, I eat it piping hot. Okay, time to eat. So I have my soup. Looks so yummy. And I always like to have my lentil soup with bread, so just like stick it in there. Here's my soup. It looks so yummy, and you always have to have the bread. Make sure it's like really nice and in there, because then it's gonna get nice and soggy, which is just a little bit of extra virgin olive oil on the bread. And I like to finish it with some sea salt, or some, you know, the crunchy, the chunky Maldon salt. But also, you know, we put the balsamic vinegar in there. Just a little dab. A dab will do ya. Looks so yummy. Soggy bread. Oh my God, there's that bug. Soggy bread. I mean, come on. Delicioso. This is so yummy. Like I said, I can eat it all year round. If you warm it up, either microwave, stove top, whatever, super fast. I even like to eat it room temperature sometimes too. However you eat it, it's fantastic. Oh, I should say with the bread though, the bread is perfect, but you gotta make sure you toast the bread first, so then it's got that nice crunch, you know? I mean, perfect. For any vegan dinner, lunch, any time of year. So I hope you guys will give this a try. Let me put it down. I hope you would try this recipe. It is so easy. As you saw, the recipe is in my cookbook, which I will link down below, but it's also gonna be on my blog. So I'll link that down below too, so you can use whatever. If you already have the cookbook, great. If you don't already have it, go order it, and that will be great too. So let me know what you think about this recipe. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I share tons of delicious, vegan, healthy recipes that are colorful and fun and easy to make and all the good stuff. Also, if you have any requests for recipes that you want me to share here on YouTube, leave that comment in the comment section below as well, and I will try to make that recipe. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Sorry to speed through this, but I'm really hungry and I really want to eat. Bon appetit.